Hey everyone! Are we ready for an eyeshadow tutorial? I feel like we're back in 2014 Beauty YouTube, so a little nostalgic. First, gotta get my post-its in place to keep me in check. Then I'm just starting with your basic creamy matte all over the lid just to give me a clean starting point, going in with a fluffy brush with a transitional shade in the crease to get some dimension going slowly. Taking a smaller fluffy brush, and you could use whatever color you like. I decided to go with purple because I have brown eyes. It's really good for brown eyes. A little bit of a darker shade to get some more drama going, and then using a shimmer on the lid. You know, classic. We're gonna stick to the classics because it works. I also really love all ColourPop. I think they're really affordable, especially for high schoolers if you're going to homecoming. Great options, great quality for the price, and so much variety. I just took a darker shade on an eyeliner brush and created a little wing on the end, just from the end of my eye. As you can tell, I keep my brushes really clean. Taking another darker shimmery shade just on the outer fourth and outer third of the eye, and then taking my lightest shimmery shade and putting it on the inner corner. You know, you gotta open up the eyes, but also keep it sultry. So you could stop here if you wanted, but obviously I want a little more euphoria fantasy, so I'm taking a ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow, not sponsored, wish I was, and putting that to accentuate the inner corner highlight, and then taking a champagne-y one and just kind of patting it all over the lid to give a little wash of shimmer. I'm taking a darker, chunkier, denser glitter and putting that over where we put the darker colors just to kind of reinforce that dimension we've already created. I really like doing this, and I think it's an underrated technique. Again, I'm not done. Literal glitter. So I spent 2 minutes trying to figure out which color would look best with my eyeshadow look, and I went with gold. Revolutionary, I know. So you can put this anywhere you want using tweezers and some eyelash glue to stick them on. You could do your inner corner, you could do on your lid, you could do under your eye. I am actually doing 3 on each side. I'm going to create kind of a faux wing and kind of reinforce that upward direction we've already created with all the eyeshadows and the wing and everything like that. So this is the final look. You could do this with any colors you feel comfortable with. Definitely recommend some ColourPop shades and some glitter, but just have a great time. Bye!